Chop. Oh my god. Hello! Back to another project with David. I'm trying to install this curtain right now. That's the belt. We're gonna start by bringing the belt in. Shove it inside the track. I did reverse engineer it a while ago. So as we see, we got now this part and these parts. These will be the engine bay area. Bearings are okay, but I would definitely love to grease them, you know? My bearing's moving, but I definitely love some WD-40, so I'm gonna go find some and I'm gonna be back, okay? As you can see, I'm back with some WD-40. There we are. So you see, this is the bearing that was inside. So much from this side because after we have to roll all of it back. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm just gonna pass it again through it.
This one is a bit more rusty, so I'm just deducing here because this is rusty and this is not rusty, and when I cleaned the bearing the upper side was rusty, so in my head, right, this will go down here. Oh, you see how it fits this so well.
So lucky I took photos when I engineered it before. Okay, I looked at another one and it makes sense now. It would be like this, and you gotta fit this in this little clip. Anyways, I got the clicks on. I'm putting them in here. I'm taking this back, and yeah, there you go. Bang, 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 bang. How cool is that? Woohoo! Next! Okay, because this is a double curtain, now we need this piece. So I decided this piece can go like this. Okay, even neste aan mijn schip. Oh my gosh. Okay, the parts finally arrived. Unboxing. Yeah, totally. Okay, you got those pieces, and open this. And you got the belt. Nice. Okay. Okay. And like it here. Now this one needs to be here.
Yeah.
Okay, we do it later.
Okay.
Let's go look at the cement. The second cement shall come. And it's a little bit raining. Okay. Let's go pour it. Okay, pouring in the rain. I'm pour until 6:30. Okay, we're back to this. had some problem, or like the concrete just came over, so yeah, don't blame me. Okay, we're back. So you see how exactly matches up here. Going all the way to the back. And the same here, exactly matching. Now it's time to set it up. So, here comes the big whoop. Yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir. I'll work on making it better next time, but for now the luxury has come back. Let's close it. Nice. What can sleep until I feel your touch? Ooh. Nice. Yeah, it was supposed to have this part, but I'll do something later. But anyways, you see it's done. Whew.